Yeah.
Back at you with another vlog. What the? We are back with another vlog. Lightning's back there. We're in the garage. Getting out of the garage. Actually going to take a battery over to my mom. She has a 2012 Coyote 5.0 Mustang, and it's been sitting for quite a while now. Needs a little bit of TLC, so I went ahead and charged the battery for her. Gonna run over to her house and bolt this thing back in, fire it up, probably take it to the store, put some premium gas, run it through there, and yeah, let's get going with that. Got Jade with me. Probably go by and pick up her brother real quick, grab a bite to eat, and then get over to grandma's. And the Harley was kind of clean. It rained. About time. These little turkeys over here wanted some after school grub. Should fire right up. Put the battery on there. Battery all charged. I said it needs some TLC. It is filthy. It hasn't been washed in months. So let's get detailed. We get some better weather, but yeah, this is on battery charge. It is the next day. Stayed with my mom for a little bit, talked to her. We did the inspection today. And like I said, I just gotta get it detailed and all cleaned up and be ready to be back on the road. Did get a chance to wash the Mach today, and here is how she turned out. Quick wash, just like the Harley. Yeah, I don't know if I should change this channel to John's detailing, John's washes, the real Jay-Z's washes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for you guys and let you hear nice little Procharger noises. Interior still needs a little cleaning. You get the idea though. One of the reasons I am washing these and driving them is trying to decide which duo, like I said, we should take to the LMR Cruise-In. Temps are finally dropping here in Texas too, and also we do have more rain coming in Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow should actually be some really good weather, and I think if I have time, I will be going out the Lightning to take it to a local meet here in town. Really want to get this fixed. It's warranted from Ag Solar Guard. A little defrost messed up the rear tent, but you guys get the idea. Everyone always loves when I pull up and hear that procharger whistling. But that is all I have for this vlog. short vlog, just something to keep you guys entertained and to also help me decide what we should take to the LMR meet. So like I said, drop a comment down below, let me know your opinion, what you think we should take. Procharged Mach, Lightning Harley, Mach Harley, I don't know, help me decide. Until next time, appreciate y'all tuning in. If you're not already, drop a like, comment, tap that sub button, and also turn on those notifications so that you get notified anytime we drop a new video. See y'all. Peace.